It's Rafael Testai, and I'm a SolidWorks influencer.
Tell us about your work and why you do it.
I do three things. Number one, tear down videos that quickly teach you the inner working mechanisms of interesting products all around us, which helps you build your mental mechanism library that you can pull from these mechanisms when you solve your everyday problems. Number two, podcast interviews with senior engineers. And number three, as you mentioned before, fun Instagram reels that go viral. Why I do what I do. Not everyone has had access to mentors that I had, which have over 20 years of experience. And these mentors have taught me and corrected me along this journey. And I want to take that knowledge that I acquired from my mentors and the mistakes that I made, several, and pass it on to you through my videos so you can expedite your learning curve using SolidWorks. And I believe in learning by doing and documenting my journey so we can all learn together. And that, if I could chime in on the conversation we were having before,
sure.
That a lot of times before I post a video, almost always feels like it's not good enough. But I say, done is better than perfect. And I get it out there. Next time you know, it's got 50,000 views and people love it.
I'm just looking down at my phone here to check in on the chat. You guys are getting a lot of love, I'll tell you, in the SolidWorks community. I see Brad in the chat saying that Raf looks great in cobalt blue. Is engineer not? We all make videos. The first video we created kind of sucked. I
can tell you why. I can tell you why, but when I tell you that, you cannot unsee it. Back to 2011, where I was only a student in biomedical engineering.
So many cool mechanisms that don't always have like a real application in real life. And I wanted to just like play with engineering